Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create text encrypted field type in Salesforce. We are going to discuss this topic in both the edition, in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we will first discuss what are text encrypted field type in Salesforce. The text encrypted field type in Salesforce is a field type that is defined as a field type that is work as a cybersecurity functionality that permit us to visor data. The user cannot be able to visible the data without suitable permission. When our data is used, the field encryption. This text encrypted field is the field that permits the user to reserve the sensitive data in the text encrypted form, and the mask is applied to the data when the data is shown. The other user cannot show this sensitive data without the appropriate permission. Now let's move ahead and discuss how to create text encrypted field type in Salesforce Lightning. This is our Lightning org. So click on the gear icon, and under this gear icon there are two options. The first one is setup and another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open. Now here you can see that the two tabs are present on the navbar. The first tab is home tab and the another tab is object manager tab. So click on this object manager tab. After clicking on the object manager tab, the object manager page is open. Here we can see the lots of objects are present. Here we want to select the account object, so click on the account object. After clicking on the account object, the account page is open. Under this account object, there is a detail section, and on the left side, there is also a detail section, and under this detail section, there is a field and relationship option. Click on this option. After clicking on the field and relationship option, the field and relationship page is open, and here we want to create the encrypted field type, so click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. Here you can see that the loads of data types are present under this page. So we want to click the text encrypted data type. So click on the text encrypted data type checkbox and then click on the next button. Here you can see that the account new custom field page is open. Now enter the details related to the account new custom field page. So first fill the field label. Here we are filling the field label as credit card number, and then give the length as a 20, and then fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then fill the description if you want to fill, otherwise leave it as it is. After filling the description, now scroll to the bottom of the page. Now select the mask type, and here we are selecting the mask type as credit card number, and then select the mask character. Here we are selecting the asterisk as a mask character, and then click on the next button. After entering the details, now establish the field level security. Now select the profile to which we want to grant edit access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if we do not add to it field level security. So click on the visible checkbox to visible all the field level security for the profile, and then click on the next button. Now add the custom field to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. This field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any page if we do not select a layout. Then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we can see that our credit card number text encrypted field is created successfully. For showing this field, how it's work, now click on the app launcher, enter the sales in the quick find box and click on the sales option. After clicking on the sales option, the sales page is open. Now click on the account. Here you can see that the account records are present. Click one of the record. Click on the details option, and under this details you can see that there is a credit card number. Now enter the credit card and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, you can see that our credit card number is not visible. It has a mask on it. Now move forward and discuss the how to create text encrypted field type in Salesforce Classic. So for this, firstly click on the profile picture. Under this profile picture, there is a switch to Salesforce Classic option. Click on that. After clicking on the switch to Salesforce Classic option, we move to our Classic version. So here we want to create text encrypted field. Now click on the username, and under this username there is a setup option. Click on that. Now enter the accounts in the quick find box and click on the fields which is present under the account. After clicking on the account fields, the account field page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you can see that the account, custom fields and relationship section is present. Here we want to create the new custom fields. So click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the data type page is open. There are lots of data types are present. We can see that, and here we want to select the text encrypted data type and then click on the next button. Now here we want to enter the details related to the account new custom field. So firstly fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as national insurance number, and then fill the length as 20, and after that fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then fill the description if you want to fill, otherwise leave it as it is. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and select the mask type, and here we are selecting the mask type as a national insurance number, and then select the mask character as X and then click on the next button. Now here establish the field level security. Select the profile to which you want to grant the access to this field via field level security, and click on the visible checkbox for all the profiles, and then click on the next button. Now here add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field, and the field will be added as the last field in the 2-column section of this page layout, and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we move to our account fields page, and you can see that the national insurance number field is created successfully. So with this, we have learned how to create text encrypted field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.